Welcome back to the channel. This is video number 11 in our 2023 Polaris RZR XP 1000 ownership video series. If you're curious about any of the other upgrades that we already have on this machine, such as the wheels and tires or the rough country street legal kit, turn signal kit that's on there, we have videos already published for those, and there is information in the video description. Today we will be installing this rough country half windshield on our new RZR. We have a windshield, 2 straps, and a lower seal. Step 1, remove this protective covering off both sides of the windshield. Now that the protective coating has been removed from both sides of the windshield, I'm going to install the lower seal.
We've got this lower seal in place. Now that was a little difficult to get on, but my brother-in-law, Jeremy, who does these videos with me, he's stronger than I am. He was able to get that on there. And we're gonna cut off some excess right now and then get it installed on the machine. There we go. The rough country half windshield is installed. It was easy to do. These clamps here are a nice design. They've got a real sturdy strap that goes around through that pin and then Velcros here. Now we noticed that this is designed to be long enough for larger roll cages like the newer machines. And so there was about 1 inch sticking out here, and so we just cut it off on both sides. And that seems to have worked really well, but it's got a nice seal around it and looks good. We're gonna take it out right now and give it a try. You can see there's just a little bit of air can go through there. We don't see that being a problem, but we'll go find out right now. So Jeremy and I just got back from a little cruise down the road. We both hopped in and got up to 55 miles an hour or so on a straightaway, a stretch of asphalt. Again, this machine's street legal. And it's surprising how well these little half windshields do their job. Jeremy described just a little bit what was going on as we were, because our hats didn't blow off.
Right, so we had our hats on and you could feel, I mean, it was going well over my head. I thought, well, it might even hit me in the face or forehead a little bit, but we rode hats on, no problems. There was a little bit of vibration when we got up, like 55, 60 or so, but not that it rattled or anything. You just see some vibration in the windshield.
Yeah, like the air pressure against it, I think.
Yeah, so nothing that would cause any concern. And for me, it didn't really impair my vision at all. I could see over the top of it just fine where we're headed. So I think it'll be a great product.
Oh yeah, nice addition to the RZR that we have named Venom. Well, thanks for watching. If you are interested in the Polaris RZR XP 1000, we invite you to follow our video series, ownership and maintenance, accessories, upgrades, etc. And as a reminder, any of the products that we have on the machine, any upgrades such as the wheels and tires, the street legal kit, the side mirrors here, the windshield, all of those things are in the video descriptions with more detail.